Good morning, June 30th, 2026, vlog startup, Supernova Design Company. Happy birthday, Ryan. Today, focus is our wall-mounted wonder. We're calling the Wally rack or the Wally. Tasks, finish the fit up on that. Assess the structural integrity. We got everything together. See how wiggly it is with what we've done. And then finish assembly, see how it looks. If we get that done today, great. Next steps on that would be working on hooks. I should write hooks on here. Anyway, that's it. Oh, challenges today. Still, the holes are still a challenge. There's a total of 36 holes, trying to line them up in groups of 3 or 6, depending how you look at it. Got a new idea to try, although we've drilled all the holes we need on this one. Done as good as we can do, but I got an idea for the next set. All right, let's go get it done. That's all I got to say. Signing out. Yo, June 30th, we're back. What do we do today? We got it fit up all complete, found some stuff we need to fix, couldn't figure out how to fix it. Actually, we did figure out how to fix it. There's no big one fix. We got to work our way around the edges. We assemble this thing, make it square. We clamped everything together. There was some out of squareness along this way, and there was some twist that way. Don't need to explain it too much more than that. We checked the brackets. They were both 90 degrees. So there's some funky stuff going on with how the boards are attaching and screwing. So we're going to start one piece at a time, make sure it's square, and work our way around the thing. What did I learn today? Welding the caps is still a challenge. We're still burning some wood. That's about it. We need to do something different because that's consistently not working. Tomorrow, we're going to try a new TIG cup. We're using number 8. Tomorrow, we're going to try number 4L. So it kind of looks like a little hummingbird that'll fit in there. We're also going to up the pre-flow, so get it nice and saturated with argon before we weld it. That's it. See you tomorrow.